Hey, Michael. My name is Joe. Came across your Facebook post and just thought I would look up your website, see if maybe I could help you out in gaining more customers. I specialize in SEO and digital marketing. And so, what I did, I looked up your website, made you this short videos, give you a couple of tips on how to get a higher ranking, and in return, more people calling your phone and using your services. And just uh, let you know, when I looked up your website, I looked under the keywords San Marcos, Texas roofing contractor, which is the most competitive keyword for your type of niche. And so I didn't find you until page 6 of the Google search engine. And as we go to page 6, I will show you that. All right. And right here, Roofing 101, roofing contractor in San Marcos, Texas. So, the first thing I wanted to share with you is who is on the first or on top of the first page of the Google search engine. Because statistics show that 90% of any type of person looking for any type of services only use those businesses on the first page of the Google search engine. And so the first one that is a actual organic search is the ARP roofing here in San Marcos. And so the reason why they're in the first place is Google looks at several different factors in order to determine where to rank a website or a business website. And the first thing that they look at is what Google calls the metadata. Now, the metadata is simply a small smidget of information that is on the outside of every website before you log into it. And it's this blue smidget of information uh, on each website right here. You can see each website has one. And so in order to get Google's attention, in order to for them to know where to categorize your website on their search engine and to rank you higher, the first thing that they look for is what city you're ranking in and what type of business you do. And so, as we can see here at the ARP Roofing, their first on their metadata, the first thing on it is the city, San Marcos, Texas, and then what they do, roofing contractor. And so by doing this, Google's able to determine exactly what type of business they're doing and what city they're ranking in. And so as we go to your website on page 6, we can see that your metadata is almost similar. It's Roofing 101, roofing contractor in San Marcos, Texas. So if we look at if once we looked at the first one, they had the city first. And that's what you want to do. You want to add the city first, San Marcos, Texas roofing contractor, and then you can add the name of the business afterwards, Roofing 101. And Google will see this, and they're able to determine exactly where to categorize and put your business on their search engine. And when it's telling them what city first, they're able to determine quicker where to put you at. And so that's the first thing I wanted to share with you. And the second thing is something similar. Google calls it, or Google calls it the H1 header. And the H1 header is on the inside of the website. And as we go back to the uh, first one that was on top, the ARP uh, roofing contractors, then I will show you what their header is. And it's as soon as you pop on, it's this bar right here, your local San Marcos roofer, serving San Marcos and the surrounding areas. And so that's their header one. And by doing this, they're almost mimicking what the metadata is, and that's what you really want to do. You want to copy exactly what the metadata is onto your H1 header. So on your as you can see here, they put San Marcos Roofer. You want to do something similar to yours. So as we go back to your website, we can check to see what your header is. And yours is simply Roofing 101. And then so instead of having the business so big like that on the first header, you would want to put San Marcos Roofing Contractor, and then you could put underneath where everything else is, protecting what matters most. You can then add your business name, Roofing 101. And so these are a couple of things that I just wanted to share with you. Maybe you can implement these 2 factors on your own website and get them to rank a lot, get your business to rank a lot higher on the Google search engine, so that people are able to find you. Because from page 1 to page 6, that's a lot of money being lost there because no one's able to find your business or your website. So I hope this gives you some hints and may help you out to get more customers calling your phone. If you have anyone that can do this for you, tell them to implement this as soon as possible so that you're able to get a higher ranking and more people calling your phones. And if you need help, feel free to contact me back. I work with First on Top SEO. We're a SEO and digital marketing agency located in New Braunfels, and we help people every day to do this. So if you would like to really get more customers and get on the first page of the Google search engine, we can do that for you. And it's very easy on our part to do that, to just put your numbers into our system and get your business website ranking a lot higher. All right, well, thank you. Like I mentioned, if you have any questions, just message me back. If not, you have a good day.